This is Chorrillo del Salto in Chaltén, Argentina. It takes about an hour and a half to walk each way. We're looking around 6 kilometre round trip. It's very flat, so it's pretty doable for most people. Yeah, so if you love to go for a little bit of a walk, this is a fantastic destination from the centre of town.
It's now or never, we rise before the sun. The moment they realize it will be gone. They put us in the fish tanks and fed us with their lies as broadcast till they turn our blood to ice. We're running for our lives, fast like the blizzard.